Good day everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our main focus will be on the quadratic formula. Now in this case now we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. And the quadratic formula says that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case now we have a, we have b, and we also have c. So a in this case the coefficient of x squared is 1, so that a is 1. The coefficient of x is minus 5, that means b is minus 5, and the coefficient and c is 6. Alright, so in this case now we have x is equals to minus b in that case is minus 5, plus or minus square root of b is minus 5 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 6, all over 2, a is 1. Alright, so we have x is equals to minus times minus is plus, so we have 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square is minus 5 times minus 5, which will give me 25, minus 4 times 1 times 6, that is 24. So we have minus 24 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equals to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 24 is 1. So we have square root of 1 over 2. So x is equals to 5 plus or minus 1 over 2. So in this case now we have x is equals to 5. For the first one we have plus 1 over 2, which will give us 6 over 2 is equals to 3. Now the next one is, so x is 5 plus 1 over 2 give us 3, or x is equal to 5 minus 1 over 2. So x is equals to 5 minus 1 equals 4 over 2. So x is equals to 2. So therefore means that x is equals to 3 or 2. Thank you.